The movie Shakti is really a well directed movie. It's about Dilip Kumar, who was a righteous cop, and his son was kidnapped by a few miscreants, and they told warned Dilip Kumar to send some huge sum for the release of his son. And the recorded tape was heard by his son, young Amitabh, who was almost like 10 years, an impressionable mind. Kids don't understand what the parents actually want. They just take it to the heart. And this only happened that his father warned the miscreants that I am not going to give you a single penny, do whatever with my son. And this recorded tape kept haunting him years after years because it hurt him so deeply. But father loved him dearly. But children are children. So sometimes we parents need to be particular, even adults sometimes. Adult children also get hurt by things which parents never want actually intend to hurt. But this movie, the real theme of the movie itself is this, and that hurt was so grave that he joined a gang, because Kulbhushan Kharbanda was also part of the criminal gang. But he had a soft corner. When he saw him almost escape, he would have handed him to the miscreants, Amrish Puri, but he let him go. Because of that, he actually won his heart. And later on, because of the differences with his dad, Dilip Kumar, as he grew up, he was very fond of his mom, Rakhi, but very belligerent and very rebellious as far as father was concerned. He was always like, both of them seemed to be at loggerheads, not verbally, but yeah, deep inside that hurt was there. And then he joined this gang, Kulbhushan Kharbanda. He started working for him. And Kulbhushan was a good person. He treated him well. Both of them did well, but it was a dark world, right? And he was compelled, Dilip Kumar was compelled to shoot his son because he was into something which civilized people will not step in, because he got involved in illegal activities. And there he came across even Smita Patil, with whom they started living relationship, and then they eventually got married. But she was also a very sophisticated, decent lady. She came to the in-laws and took their blessings, and then when he was killed, then also she stayed with her in-laws, and they had a son, Anil Kapoor. And Anil Kapoor, when he heard the story, his eyes, his face, eyes were rolled down with like it was tears were rolling down his eyes, and he said that now, Dadu, I am going to follow your footsteps and I am going to be a cop. It's an excellent, powerful movie, must watch. 4.5 to 5 stars.